He was off duty in his APD SUV when he ran a red light and killed a young woman. But the now former APD sergeant is worried he may not get a fair trial because of all the negative publicity surrounding the Albuquerque Police Department. News 13's Gabrielle Burkhardt has the story from District Court downtown, where jury selection for Adam Casaus' trial starts Monday.
In the time leading up to Adam Casaus' trial, there have been controversial APD shootings, APD protests, and a federal report that slammed the department. Even though that has nothing to do with this case, it has Casaus' attorney and the judge taking precautions. Former APD Sergeant Adam Casaus will go to trial next week for running a red light and killing 21-year-old Ashley Browder a year and a half ago. But there's already concern about picking a jury.
I'm suspicious there may be some pretrial publicity issues that we're going to have to address.
The case has drawn lots of attention. Investigators say Casaus was off duty in his police SUV, speeding home on Paseo when he blew through a red light. He plowed into a car carrying Ashley and her sister Lindsay. Ashley died. Lindsay suffered a broken spine. Casaus claims he was chasing a drunk driver. No evidence has come out to back his claim. But what has happened since the crash has Casaus' defense attorney concerned about a fair trial.
Since this incident occurred, there has been, I don't know how high the tide would be, but a tide of anti-public sentiment towards Albuquerque Police Department.
Not necessarily related to this case, but related to other
Correct.
issues. Okay.
Correct.
Videos seen around the world sparked controversy over the deadly APD shooting of homeless camper James Boyd. Then the feds released their report that slammed APD. There's been police protests in the streets, publicity that sparked passion both for and against APD. And even though Casaus was fired, it's a concern the judge in his case says he'll take into account when selecting jurors.
I'm going to start talking to folks individually to find out exactly what that is, so we don't contaminate the rest of the panel through the questioning.
Potential jurors will also be questioned by the attorneys and the judge to see how much they already know about this case. Casaus' trial is expected to last at least a week. Gabrielle Burkhardt, KRQE News 13.
APD fired Adam Casaus 3 months after that crash, but never said why. That may be because the Browder family is suing the city and APD. If Casaus is convicted of vehicular homicide, he could face up to 6 years behind bars.